If you think cacti are just thorny desert plants, you're missing one of the most rewarding trends in urban gardening. Some cacti don't just survive tough conditions, they gift you vibrant edible fruits right from a balcony pot. In this video, you'll discover how those low-maintenance plants can turn small spaces into productive, beautiful gardens. Dragon fruit instantly comes to mind when people talk about fruiting cacti, and it's easy to see why. This climbing cactus brings a tropical feel to terraces and balconies while producing striking pink fruits packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. It loves strong sunlight and support to climb, and once mature, it rewards you with large night-blooming flowers followed by exotic fruits that look almost unreal. Prickly pear is another classic fruiting cactus that proves tough plants can also be generous. Its flat paddle-like pads grow quickly in sunny spots, and with time they produce sweet red-orange fruits that are both edible and nutritious. Even the pads are used in cooking in many cultures. It thrives on neglect, making it perfect for busy plant lovers who will still want something productive at home. Pereskia grandifolia surprises many gardeners because it looks more like a leafy shrub than a cactus. Yet behind those lush leaves is a true cactus that produces small tangy berries. It blends beautifully into edible landscapes or decorative container gardens, giving you both greenery and harvest without the typical spiny appearance most people expect. Cereus peruvianus stands tall and sculptural, adding a bold architectural touch to any space. This columnar cactus eventually produces round fruits with a mild sweetness, and a texture often compared to dragon fruit. It's ideal for sunny corners where you want height, drama, and the long-term reward of homegrown cactus fruit. Growing fruiting cacti at home is far easier than most people imagine. They need bright sun for most of the day, fast-draining soil, and watering only when the soil dries out completely. Terracotta or ceramic pots with drainage keep roots healthy, and a warm, airy spot helps them thrive without fuss. The flowering stage of fruiting cacti feels almost magical, especially when blooms appear unexpectedly. Some open at night and fade by morning, while others glow in bright daytime colors. After flowering, fruits slowly develop over weeks, turning your cactus into a living cycle of anticipation and reward that feels deeply satisfying to watch. Cactus fruits aren't just attractive, they're genuinely nourishing additions to your diet. They're rich in fiber for digestion, antioxidants that fight stress in the body, and vitamin C that supports immunity. Their natural electrolytes also make them refreshing and hydrating, especially in warm climates. Even Brazilian cacti can struggle if their basic needs are ignored. Too much water can cause root rot, harsh afternoon sun may scorch tissues, and occasional pests like mealybugs can appear. Allowing soil to dry, giving filtered light and extreme heat, and using neem oil when needed keeps plants healthy. Fruiting cacti also fit perfectly into eco-friendly gardening habits. They use minimal water, rarely need fertilizers, and grow well without chemical treatments. This makes them ideal for sustainable homes, sunny apartments, and dry urban spaces where traditional plants struggle. Harvesting cactus fruits from your own plants turns gardening into a truly personal experience. Blending fresh dragon fruit with banana and yogurt into a smoothie bowl is a simple way to enjoy the rewards of your balcony garden. Fresh, vibrant, and grown by you. Fruiting cacti prove that even the toughest plants can be surprisingly generous. If you'd love more low-maintenance plants that are both beautiful and productive, subscribe to the channel and keep growing greener, smarter spaces at home.